Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chicken pepper masala. If you are new to our channel, make sure to click on subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Let's get started. First, heat 1 cup of oil in a pan over medium heat. Then add 1 kg of chicken, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 green chilies, half a teaspoon of black pepper and a half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well and fry the chicken for about 5 minutes. Once the chicken is fried, take it out of the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, add 2 chopped onion. Fry the onion until they turn golden brown. Then add the cooked chicken back in the pan, mix well and add 1 cup of yogurt. Add another half teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything well. Add 1 cup of water, then cover the chicken and cook it until it's done. Once the chicken is fully cooked, mix everything well, then add 1 pack of cream. Stir until the cream is fully incorporated, then add a quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. Cover the pan and let it simmer for a few minutes. And there you have it, a delicious chicken pepper masala. If you like this recipe, don't forget to comment and subscribe our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!